Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing? Aaron Maurer here with another quick little tip. Guys, so many amazing questions, thoughts, ideas coming in. So here's just a really quick one that keeps coming up over and over again, whether we've had it in the networking, in the office hours, or now here, even working with my wife trying to navigate. A lot of you are trying to figure out how to keep the Google Classroom organized. And one of the things that first pop up when we head into a classroom, so here is like the Google Geeking page, is this stream. And this stream gets very overwhelming. You can see that everything is there. So while that's helpful for some people, this can stress people out. I'm thinking of my daughter. This becomes a lot as her teachers post lots of assignments with attachments and she sees this, it just becomes overwhelming. So let me show you how you can change the stream, the appearance of the stream, super easy, and then you can decide what you think is the best format for you and your students. So when you're in your Google Classroom that you're operating, you have the little gearbox that's in the upper right-hand corner. And when you click that, there's a variety of settings in here that you can access and do. And so we'll get into some more of these here pretty soon. But what we want to do is look at the stream right here in the general category. And you can see that right now the settings that I have for this particular classroom in the stream is that students can post and comment. If I don't want students to post within the stream, and probably for most of you, you don't want that to happen, you can say students can only comment, or you can turn comments off completely and all they can do is view only. And so I know that a lot of educators start with this option here of only teachers can post or comment, and then gradually release to the comment piece. It's your preference what you want. I'm going to keep it here because obviously I want to hear from you guys in this particular class. But that allows you to control what the students can do within the stream. So if you need to change that, it's right there. But this is what I want to focus on, the classwork on the stream. You can see that when we hit this drop-down menu, there's three options. So let's take a look at what each of these look like. If we click Show Attachments and Details, and I hit Save here, and we go back to the stream, you're going to see now that all the attachments are shown. So here's the video where I edited office hours from yesterday, the 22 minutes. You can see the instructions of what it is, and then you can see the video here itself for you to access for your class. And then you can see then the announcements are fully fleshed out as we scroll through here. I'm just trying to get down to some of these other things. Here's an activity question for another video. So you can basically see that the attachments are viewable. So this gives a little more clear appearance. It gives some graphics, might entice the kids to click on some stuff. But you can see that the stream looks very, very full now as we go through this with this particular view. Now, if I go back into settings, and I change this, oh, not that one, sorry, for the classwork on the stream, and I show condensed notifications. That's what we had before. That's actually what we've currently been using. And you'll see now that I don't see all those icons. They're condensed, they're closed up. The only thing that's really extended are the announcements. So you see the full announcements right there. But in terms of assignments, they're much shorter. So you see if we pop in here, now we actually have to click to get into the assignment to actually see what it is that we're looking for. And so you've got that option as well. And then finally, you have the one that probably a lot of you are going to enjoy, and that's hide notifications. So what this does, and this is the one that I know my wife really enjoys, the only thing you're going to see in the stream are announcements. You're not going to see anything that gets posted to the classwork. So anything in here, anytime you hit a create icon, any of these materials will reside here in the classwork, but they will not show up here in the stream. So the only thing kids are going to see here in the stream are the announcements. And for a lot of remote teaching right now, a lot of you are using the announcements as daily reminders, and so this might be your best option so the kids don't get overwhelmed with everything. More importantly, you're teaching them to go into the classwork so that as a student, let me switch over here. And so as a student in this class, when it's this way, I can see the announcements, but now it forces me to get into the classwork itself as a student here. And now I can take a look at, okay, what do I need to do? I can see that this one is still dark gray. I've got these done. I got some things I need to do here. And so it helps them be more organized with their own workflow and things that they have to do. So I hope you find this helpful. A lot of you may already be aware of how to modify your stream, but a lot of you are brand new to Google Classroom and this type of format. So that will help you make some decisions in terms of how you want your classroom to look for you and your students. If you have any other questions, thoughts, or ideas, as always, you can leave a comment here on the video or in the Google Classroom. And as always, remember, my friends, stay awesome. Peace.